Hello ARMY and everyone who loves BTS. I am back again with a new update kind of video, and this video could be the second part of the previous video that I have already made on my channel. So if you have not watched that video till now, you can watch it. I am going to put the link in the I button, and after watching that video you would be able to understand the whole story and whole crisis that our Jungkook is dealing with. I believe that all of you guys must be aware of this fact that our Jungkook has an elder brother whose name is Chon Jung Hyun, who has recently started a clothing and accessories company, Six Guys, in May, and our Jungkook was the executive director of the company. Now I would directly get to the point that he has already given up his position of executive director on September 14th, after few days of his birthday at 7 September, because of the controversy that he was the part of under the table or false advertising of his brother's clothing line by posting his pics on social media and doing live streams wearing the clothes from his brother's clothing line, Six Guys. The people of internet, the netizens, are continuously accusing Jungkook for the false advertisement of his brother's clothing line without saying anything about his position as an executive director at the company. And out of all these netizens, a random person comes out, and I don't know anything about that person, who has already filed a report against Jungkook to the Fair Trade Commission. So the report is something like this. ARMY, I have collected all this information after doing a lot of research on the internet on the same topic. I don't know what is the matter behind the curtains. Was Jungkook really trying to do the false advertisement of his brother Chon Jung Hyun's company, Six Guys? I don't know what is the truth, but being a dedicated BTS ARMY myself, there is one thing that I believe, that our Jungkook or the whole BTS group would never do anything wrong to break the heart of their beloved ARMY. I think there must be some kind of misunderstanding that has caused this kind of crisis in our innocent Jungkook's life these days. ARMY, just look at Jungkook's face. He has not shown any kind of discomfort, distress, or any broken-hearted feeling. He knows that if he would be upset or broken, his ARMY would also be broken-hearted with him. That is why he is hiding everything in his heart. He knows that if something like this happens to a world star who is the idol of everyone, would be embarrassing and dangerous for his fans and for him or herself. Being a global star is not an easy task, ARMY, when all the eyes are watching and hearts are beating for you. ARMY, you can tell me what do you think about this whole situation that our Jungkook is dealing with, and what's going on between him and his brother. You can tell me your opinions in the comments, and I would love to read them because I just want to know what do you think about your Jungkook.